everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 7 and let me share with you how to add a photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see right here, we can either take a photo and then after picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Right here we have to decide where we want to pick, from which album we want to pick the photo, so our own gallery or Google Photos, which is basically the same. And here we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square. We unfortunately cannot zoom it in or out, just the position of this highlighted area. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because it is responsible for it. So just crop it like you want to, and if you are happy with the results, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied right here, so remember to tap on save again in the right upper corner. And as you can see, here we've got the photo applied. Unfortunately, it's not a very good quality, and after getting back you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OPPO Reno 7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.